sight, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
To Amboy Crater.
Yes, ma'am.
We are at the beginning of the trail. I can't guarantee you we will make it to the end of the trail, but we will see how far we get.
Yes, it says leave 3 hours to do this.
It does.
So it's currently about 81, 82 degrees. We just watered up, and here we go.
Here we go.
We are officially on the trail. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good right now.
Good
but
to
it's
go.
only, you know,
yeah,
a couple minutes in.
Couple minutes in. Spin. Yep. Beautiful weather, nice breeze.
Oh, thankful.
Very thankful for the breeze.
It's a lot warmer than I expected it to be in mid-November.
We are in it. To win it? Okay. Okay, we are looking good. Nice trail.
Yeah, completely different than
Yep.
the last one we were
How you
on.
feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah, I'm feeling really good too.
Well-groomed path.
Yes.
So.
And there's nice parking lot. There's bathrooms, pit toilets. Yep, we are live.
We are 1.5 miles in.
And this is the view ascending the cinder cone volcano. Hit it, you lead. Onward and upward. probably gonna have to put subtitles in here because the wind's blowing.
Yeah, it's actually only 1.68 miles to the top, but the last half a mile,
yeah, it was rough.
Was rough for me because I don't do any workouts or anything. Sorry if this video is really windy. Take a look down there. That's the little bench where we stopped to take a break, water up, and now we're all the way up here.
All the way up, and then our parking lot is there.
And to your right is the city of Amboy.
There's Amboy. And more desert. Beautiful up here.
What are you searching for? Oh, I'm so happy to be on flat ground.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Tell you what, next spot you'll see me is on that bench getting another drink of water. Stay tuned. Okay, Klaus has decided to take uncharted territory. We are, well, partially uncharted territory. So if you don't hear back from us, it's his fault. Pulling into the Ludlow Cafe on Route 66.
This right here, we could live in this. We could. Go ahead and say something. Go ahead and say it.
something smart, right?
Go ahead and say something
Yeah.
smart.
Okay, so oh wait, so I got bad hair.
Oh my goodness.
Phew.
You got bad hair. Look at mine. Good night.
got
All
no
patchy
hair.
and no hair up there is ridiculous.
So we're wrapping up our day of hiking in near volcanic cinder cone craters,
Yes.
and we stopped in Ludlow, which
Yes.
is off the 40 and Route 66.
Yes.
And stopped in a little tiny little cafe that's out here all by itself by a gas station and a motel, and that's it.
Yes.
And surprisingly, we had
It was
Yeah,
really
good
good.
lunch.
Yeah, yeah. I had the tuna fish sandwich on wheat with French fries and a Coke.
Yep, and I had a burger with all the veggies and fries and a Coke, and it was surprisingly, yeah, it was really good.
Super fast service, so we
Hot.
tipped really good, and it was a blessing.
It was a blessing. So this rounds out our day of adventure.
Yes, ma'am, it does.
All right. See you soon.